What's really weird?
It's really weird.
Just how you're feeling?
Yeah. A beepy thing.
What?
There's a beepy thing. The office and
That was in the office? Where was that? Was that in the office?
I don't know. I prefer to poke a hole in me.
Did they have something on your finger measuring your heart rate?
Yeah.
That's what that was. That was
And
your
there's
heart.
a little thing around my arm.